Hey, do you hear the sound of mottled wood owl? This is how they sound.
The mottled wood owl is a species of a large owl found in India. They are found in gardens and thin deciduous forests adjacent to dry thorn forests or farmland. They are easily detected by their distinctive tremulous, eerie calls at dawn and dusk. The characteristic call is a duet of the male and female, while other notes include a low hoot and a screech. Their larger size, lack of ear tufts, and the concentric bearing on the face make them easy to identify. The species is found in the plains and gardens and lightly wooded habitats. They roost in trees during the day, choosing a branch with dense foliage. An old specimen from Lahore is noted, but no records in recent times. From Pakistan, the distribution extends east to West Bengal. These owls roost during the day, usually in pairs. When distributed, they may fly in bright sunshine, although they choose to shelter within a dense grove of trees. They produce an eerie call with a quiver in the second note. This call is an antiphonal duet of the male and female. The male calls one or two times, followed by the female's shorter and less tremulous version. The calling is more frequent in November when they begin to breed. More nests are they found from February to April. They also produce a single note hoot and a screech note, unlike that of the barn owl. The nest is a tree hollow in which 2 to 3 white eggs are laid. They feed on palm squirrels, mice, and other small mammals. The eerie call has been associated with ill omen in some parts of Kerala. The call is interpreted as puwa and likened to a summon to the spirit world.